Alright, so today we're going to be putting bed liner on the inner apron of the 65 Fastback. Not going to be doing the underside of the fenders just yet because I don't have them clean. But I'm going to go ahead and start off with sanding it so we can ensure proper adhesion. 400 grit. I was using 160, but it was taking it all the way down to the primer, so just going to stick with the 400, scuff it up a bit, clean it off, blow with the air gun. We're going to go ahead and shoot our bed liner. Alright, so now that everything is mostly scuffed up with that 400 grit, I'm going to go ahead and clean it up with wax and grease remover and then mask off all the areas that we don't want to get this bed liner on. Another thing you do want to do is we're going to go ahead and cover these up. If you see, they have threads in them, and we don't want to get the bed liner in there because then we're going to struggle to get the bolts in them later on. Okay, so everything's taped off that we don't want to get bed liner on. Now we're going to clean it up and start shooting the bed liner. We're going to go ahead and start shooting. We're using the Rustoleum truck bed pro grade liner with a turbo nozzle. Let's see how it goes. Alright, first coat went on nice and easy. It's starting to have a good texture. Gonna go ahead and shoot maybe a second and third coat in a bit. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and lay on the second coat. Alright, this is the final product. Gotta say, it does look pretty good. Now it should be protected from rust, rock chips, and all that good stuff. Now on to the next side, and then we can get to the next step of this project.